Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Leadpages and export lead capture forms. Complete guide step by step. To withdraw from Leadpages and export your lead capture forms, begin by logging into your Leadpages account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your projects are displayed. Select the project that contains the lead capture forms you wish to export. Within the project, locate the lead capture form you want to withdraw from the platform. Click on the form to open its settings. Now, look for the export option, usually found in the settings menu or toolbar. Select the export option, which may be labeled as export, download, or similar. After selecting export, choose the format you want your lead capture form to be exported in. Common formats include CSV or HTML, depending on your needs. Confirm your selection by clicking on the download or export button. Once the file has been generated, a download prompt should appear. Click on the download link to save the file to your device. Next, if you need to remove the form from your Leadpages account, return to the project dashboard. Locate the form again and select the option to delete or remove it. Confirm the deletion if prompted, ensuring that you have saved all necessary data. Now, you have successfully withdrawn from Leadpages and exported your lead capture forms. For additional guidance, consider consulting the Leadpages Help Center for specific queries related to your account. This ensures you fully understand your options and any related functionalities. You are now ready to use your lead capture forms outside of Leadpages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.